Today we are going to solve for x in this equation. 6 over x minus 4 is equal to x plus 4 all over 6. So the first step we are going to take is to cross multiply. We are going to cross multiply 6 times x. We have 6x is equal to, again we cross multiply the other opposite side. So x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. On the right hand side, this is actually difference between two squares. So we are going to use the quadratic identity a minus b multiplied by a plus b, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. And therefore, our equation will be 6x is equal to, so here the coefficient of a and x correspond to each other, so we have x squared, and then 4 corresponds to b, so minus 4 squared. So this would be 6x is equal to x squared minus 16. So we need to rearrange this equation in the form of quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, whereby a, b, and c are constant. So rearranging it, we shall have x squared, then take 6x to the right hand side, it will be minus 6x, then minus 16. Whatever remained here is 0, so it will be equal to 0. So we solve for this quadratic equation. We are going to use factorization method. So the coefficient of x squared here, it's 1, and here the constant part is minus 16, and the coefficient of x is minus 6. So we need to get the product AC, that is 1 times 16, which is minus 16. Then get factors of minus 16, such that if we add the two factors, we get the coefficient of x, which is minus 6. So the two factors will be 8, 2. So which one will be negative? So that we add, we get minus 6. So minus 8 plus 2, which are the two factors. So we are going to get minus 6. So we write this part in splitted form, such that the sum will be equal to minus 6x. And in that case, it is minus 8x plus 2x. So write this part in expanded form. So that will be x squared minus 8, x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. So take into pairs and factor out what is common. So x squared minus 8x, x is common. So we factor it out. X squared divided by x is x. Minus 8x divided by x is minus 8. Close the bracket, then plus. So 2x minus 16. So we can see 2 is common. So factor out 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x. Minus 16 divided by 2 is minus 8. Close the bracket, everything is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2, we have x plus 2, and multiplied by x minus 8. We have factored it out, and therefore either, in this case, if you have two numbers, a times b is equal to 0, either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. In this case, either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to, subtract 2 on both sides, so x will be equal to minus 2, or here add 8 on both sides, so x will be 8, and therefore x is either minus 2 or 8. If you try to substitute into the equation, you should get exactly the same. So thank you so much. See you in our next video.